And now the second practice. The second practice is Science Divine Cleansing. The ideal time for this practice is before sunset or any other time that is closer to this time. This practice is also very useful for letting go of the past. Science Divine Cleansing is also a powerful tool for eliminating the problem of distractions caused by flow of thoughts and feelings during the course of meditation. This also helps in diving deeper into meditation by removing the negativities, impurities, complexities, and emotional repressions which have come with the soul through the past lives. It also helps in removing the emotional grossness and negativities that accumulate in our minds and subtle bodies in our day-to-day life. With regular practice in due course of time, it offers you clarity and wisdom in your life and living. Now I will explain about the Science Divine Cleansing technique. This technique has 3 steps. The first step is alternate nostril breathing or Anulom Vilom Pranayam. In this step, you have to close your right nostril with the thumb and then you have to inhale through the left nostril. After you have inhaled through the left nostril, you will close the left nostril with your index finger and the middle finger. And then you will exhale through the right nostril. In this way, you will continue inhaling and exhaling with alternate nostrils. If you practice this Kriya for 5 minutes, you will experience that the whole of your nervous system has been cleaned. This provides vitality to your whole inner organisms. At the same time, this step also helps you in making your breathing deeper and deeper in due course of time. It facilitates deep breathing, and deep breathing is also a great medicine for your body. The second step is inner cleansing through thought power. The science of thought power says you get what you think about or focus upon, whether you want it or you don't want it. It means whatever you want to happen, you have to start thinking of it with sincerity. If you just think of it with total energy, you will find that the same thing has started happening. For example, if you are sitting in a closed room, nobody else is there, but if you start thinking of sex and sex and sex, your whole body starts demanding sex. Your breathing becomes fast, and at the same time you find that your whole body system has become excited. What brought about this total change? It was all brought about just by your thought power. So here you have to apply this power of thought for cleansing of your inner systems, for cleansing of your subtle bodies, and for cleansing of your mind. This is the most powerful tool so far developed in human history for inner cleansing. Therefore, you have to think and visualize powerfully that all the impurities, complexities, negativities, and emotional repressions are leaving your entire system. They are going out through your back or spine, extending from the top of the head to the tailbone. And then you have to feel powerfully that they are leaving your entire system in the form of smoke. So keep visualizing that all impurities are leaving your entire system through the spine in the form of smoke. And continue visualizing this for 10 minutes. Apply your will and apply your imagination to expedite the whole process. And in the whole process, you have to remain alert as a witness. You have simply to see the great thing of inner cleansing happening. And it will continue happening. Within 10 minutes, you will become totally cleansed. If your attention starts drifting away, gently come back to cleaning, and after the practice, you will find a feeling of wonderful lightness and pleasantness in the heart. The third step. Now you have to feel and visualize that you have got connected to the original source of creation, and a current of fresh energy and purity is flowing from the source, and the same is entering into your system from the front. And as a consequence, you are being filled with immense peace and joy. Continue feeling being filled with immense peace and joy for 5 minutes.